Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I've made some changes. You may have already noticed them, so I'm going to explain them. I'm going to tell you why I made them and what you can expect from this point forward. So if you haven't already noticed, I've changed the name of the channel. We used to be Nathan's Car Care, and now I have changed the channel name to The Nate Take. I know that's quite the change, and you may be scratching your head wondering what in the world happened. I'm going to explain it to you right now. So YouTube's made some changes recently that has really impacted the small creators like myself. They have changed the way that videos are monetized, so fewer videos are being monetized than they used to be, and that really impacts someone like myself who doesn't have a huge following and a ton of videos. So I also backed myself into the corner by creating a channel called Nathan's Car Care. With a channel name like that, it has to be car care related only. If it's not car care related, I can't upload it to the channel. I've looked at the data that YouTube provides me about my channel, and 93% of the views that I receive are from people that are not subscribed to my channel. And that makes perfect sense. Whenever you have an issue with your car, like say for example, you need to clean your mass airflow sensor or your throttle body, like a video I made previously, you're not going to necessarily subscribe to the channel and be a consistent viewer of that channel that showed you how to do that. You just simply need to know how to do it. You do it, you're done, you forget about the channel. There's no real reason for you to subscribe. And on YouTube, subscribers are everything, because your subscribers are the ones that'll come back more regularly to your channel. So I kind of created a channel where I'm not going to have repeat customers, if that makes sense. So by changing the channel up to The Nate Take, that will hopefully bring in more subscribers, because it's going to be a bunch of different things. It's all sorts of different topics. They'll see more that they want to actually come back and see, instead of, oh, I cleaned my throttle body, I'm out of here, I don't need to come back. So that's why I've changed the name to The Nate Take. I hope you guys like it. I think it's going to be great. The reason I chose The Nate Take, first of all, Nate, that's short for Nathan, which you guys obviously knows my name, and then Take, so The Nate Take. So these videos are going to be my take on whatever I'm doing. Like for example, so let's say I'm restoring an old tool. That's my take on how to restore that tool. Or let's say I install a toolbox on my truck. That's my take on how to install a toolbox. Or I don't know, it could be anything. Whatever the video's about, that's my take. So The Nate Take. I hope that makes sense. If you guys got any more questions, make sure you leave them down in the comments below. If you support this idea, if you support this change, please like the video and share my channel with all your friends, because I'm really going to push hard to make this successful and to grow it, and I need y'all's support in order to do that. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share the video. So until next time, this is Nathan, signing off.